Finding a linear equation from a graph. Finding a linear equation from a graph starts with the formula y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. Let's look at an example. What do you think is this graph of? What equation? Well, if we look at the graph carefully, we see a point being intersected by the red line at y equals 3. We also see at x equals negative 3. This means that we have a y equals 3. From a graph like this, we are able to determine what our slope is and what our y-intercept b is going to be. We find that there is an intersection at y equals 3 and x equals negative 3. These two intersections help us determine the m-slope of our line. Our graph is pointing upwards. This means that our slope will be positive. The visual formula for slope m of a line is rise over run. This means that every time a line crosses a point at the x and y axes, we can determine how much the line rises and runs. A rise in a graph means a change in y, while a run means a change in x. From this graph, then, we get a rise of 3 and a run of 3. M equals 3 over 3, which is 1. Now we simply substitute our m and b into y equals mx plus b. We get y equals 1x plus 3, or y equals x plus 3.